Tired of complicated crypto exchanges and slow transaction speeds? Want to sell your Beam securely and effortlessly? You're in the right place. Selling Beam can seem daunting, especially for beginners. But with the right knowledge, it's a straightforward process. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of selling your Beam using the official Beam wallet. We'll cover everything from finding reliable exchange partners to completing the transaction securely. Step 1. Find a reliable exchange partner. Research. Start by researching reputable cryptocurrency exchanges that support Beam. Look for exchanges with good security measures, high liquidity, and competitive fees. Consider decentralized exchanges. DEXs offer more privacy and decentralization compared to centralized exchanges. Explore options like swap.fi or Biswap, which often support Beam trading. Check exchange listings. Regularly check the exchange's website or social media channels for any updates on supported cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Prepare your Beam wallet. Update wallet. Ensure your Beam wallet is updated to the latest version. This guarantees the best security and compatibility with the latest features. Check Beam balance. Confirm the amount of Beam you wish to sell is available in your wallet. Note down your receiving address. Obtain the receiving address of the cryptocurrency you're exchanging your Beam for. This address will be provided by the exchange you've chosen. Step 3. Initiate the trade. Choose your exchange. Select the exchange that best suits your needs and preferences. Create a trading pair. On the exchange platform, create a trading pair. For example, if you're selling Beam for Bitcoin, select Beam/BTC. Place an order. Place a limit order or a market order depending on your trading strategy. Limit orders allow you to specify the price at which you want to sell your Beam, while market orders sell your Beam at the current market price. Step 4. Confirm and execute. Review order details. Carefully review all order details, including the amount of Beam you're selling, the receiving address, and the exchange rate. Confirm and execute. Once you've verified all the details, confirm and execute the trade. Monitor the transaction. Track the progress of your transaction on the exchange platform. Step 5. Receive funds. Wait for confirmation. After the trade is successfully executed, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Receive funds. Once the transaction is confirmed, the cryptocurrency you've exchanged for your Beam will be credited to your receiving address on the chosen exchange. Important considerations. Security. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and be wary of phishing attempts. Fees. Be mindful of transaction fees associated with both the Beam network and the exchange platform. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Be aware of potential price fluctuations and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Customer support. Choose an exchange with reliable customer support in case you encounter any issues during the selling process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.